I'm so excited. Okay, we're gonna try the new Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Foundation. I got the shade 11N. I don't know if it's gonna match me. It looks like it'll match. I don't know. Let's see. I'm so excited to try. The first thing I noticed when I was at Sephora buying it is that there's literally like shimmer in it. Like it's sparkly, which honestly, if I'm being honest, like that kind of scares me. Hold on, I'll show you. Like, do you see? There's literally like glitter in it, like sparkles. I'm literally reading the description right off Sephora. A breathable, luminous foundation that effortlessly builds and blends to illuminate the complexion with customizable, long-wearing coverage. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's try this. I'm not 100% sure about the shade, but I think it should be fine. Ooh, it feels really like silky. By the way, I have no primer on, just moisturizer. Ooh, okay, the shade is pretty good. Okay, let's blend this side out with a brush. I should have got the Makeup by Mario one. I don't know, I didn't think of it. Ooh, okay, so far it's looking pretty and it's not looking glittery like it does in the bottle. It literally just looks like skin. See, it's so nice and glowy, which I have very oily skin, so I always avoid luminous foundation. So let me know if you guys want to see a wear test. I could update you guys later on, like throughout the day. And see how it wears, but look how pretty and glowy that looks. If you like a glowy foundation, you'd like this. I would say it's like a medium, like buildable type of coverage. Okay, here's a little side by side. The best way to describe it is that like it literally just looks like skin. It's so beautiful and it has like a very nice glow. And it blended out like really effortlessly too. Okay, this side I'm gonna use a damp beauty sponge and let's see what it looks like with a sponge. I cannot even stress like how nicely this blends out. It's like butter. It's so beautiful. Okay, this is so pretty. Like look how nice and healthy and like natural my skin looks. I love it. Okay, I like the coverage as is. So this was one pump on each side of my face. I'm gonna finish off my makeup like completely as I normally do and we'll see what it looks like in the end. Okay, my face looks like a freaking filter. I love how my skin looks right now. Am I surprised? No, because Mario literally never misses, but like, oh my god. Back camera view. I really like this. Okay, let me know your thoughts and let me know if you want to wear a test. Like I said, I have really oily skin, so right now it looks really good. So I want to see how it wears throughout the day. So let me know if you want to see that. Leave me a comment. But yeah, let me know your thoughts and if you're going to try it or if you've tried it.